already dripping.
Let me get a little bucket for underneath there. I have this bucket here.
I'm not sure if it's going to stop. If it doesn't stop, I'm just going to turn it off. Gotta turn this on its side to do the electrical. So.
No, I think it pulls out the phone, I thought.
Just shimmy it out like this. What's in the way here?
That's stuff on the side there. No, I should. Yeah, I should come in. Alright, now it's out. Okay, now the electrical's still on though. It's okay.
So we have to turn this on its side or something.
I think you just do it from what that boy was
What are you doing?
pulling these two out.
So these are.
Is there another one?
Because I need to see the wiring.
Yeah.
Coming out as well as going in.
So there's white to white.
There's the ground. No.
White and green to silver.
This neutrals. This amperage. This ground. That's that. So good. This is wiring from the dishwasher itself. It's obviously nuts. So that is that. There's the thing. So this. The wrench to it. There. It's free. This is this. And then that I can use on the new one if they don't have it in for us.
Are you comfortable with that? There, it's out.
So now to undo this line, simple screw right there. This is loosened like that. We tie the string to it. We have no choice but to pull this out. There's a triangular gulf right here. I pull this line out. Let me show you, because you don't understand what I'm trying to get you to do. Alright, well then, yeah, that string is our only hope.
Yep. So just leave it on like that.
So now I've done the easy half of the work. So all this for LG Holloway that we paid for, but they refused to honor. Now we're gonna
unwrap that.
unwrap this. Cutter, watch this. Snip, snip, snip.
Looks like they don't want us to do it on the side. They want us to do a two-hand lift and carry. Do not clamp from this side. Do not clamp from this side.
This, like that. Got a much tighter installation. Oh, here's the thing, but we can undo that.
To remove.
So at least we got a whole new thing of this. Now we're gonna reverse what we just did.
But it says it's removable.
You don't want it laying on there. It'll crack the hose. You don't want it laying on here. It'll scratch the front.
Yeah.
So it's got to be one side or the other. No, we're
Here?
just gonna walk it off the foam. Ready? To help me, just lean that way to walk it off the foam.
Alright.
Lean on that corner, like a foot, so you can take the weight.
Okay.
So I can move the foam off. Is it on the foot? Now let's walk it so that that corner hits the hard concrete. Ready? Walk it so that that corner hits it, and then that'll free the foam. And get it onto that corner.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull the foam out there. Now, go ahead and just lay it down first. Okay. Now, if you lift it up this way, I'm gonna come underneath it.
Alright, come underneath.
Okay, there. Now just reverse what we did coming out. It's designed to go in a single direction. You see how this is designed to be like this? Go into these teeth right here. So that's extremely secure. Then, watch this. This allows additional crank down. Now it's pretty secure.
Right.
So now we're going to go up. You think I should do it or you should do it?
It doesn't matter, whatever you want.
Maybe you should be the securing man. It's going to be a very tight fit again.
1, 2, 3, ready, come up. 1, 2, 3, ready, come up.
1, 2, 3.
There we go. Now we're in. Now we're in. Okay.
That was close.
Okay.
Now we're gonna walk it onto that and then down. Now I unlock it and then appliance it. So it is now in the house. Insert the electrical wiring into the correct connector, the water line to correct connector. So it's pretty obvious what you do. We shall now proceed. Question is, yeah, we're nowhere near it. Can't tell what's the end. Oh, I got it now. Yeah, I got it.
Leave it for right now until we get other stuff hooked up.
Punch this through the bottom.
Wait, your water line goes around to the front, right?
And with this, put it on the third one. Oh, it's gonna land on my foot. Stretch that. Oh, now we're in good shape.
Line here. You need to take this off
So this,
because there it goes attached to that.
so this needs to come off. So let's start with this.
Wire line and
Water line. Time for some screwing action. Let's see.
You're just screwing that into that, right? Do you need some of that white tape?
Against your turn. How important is it that it not leak? Tighten. Remember that, didn't you? Clockwise to tighten. It's just hand tighten. Tight as left hand can go.
Well, I'm sure it's a, what do you call it? A code thing.
You're too stupid. These Wagos. These are Harbor Freights. The Harbor Freight Wago works. Can't compare it to the German original
Now,
Wagos.
did this have like a screw on this side?
Thread this through.
I'm sorry.
And rotate toward me. One way is. That is that connector. This door small. It's good enough. It's hand undoable. It's undoable by hand. Ground. Unloosen it. There you go. In. And then this ground wire.
I can't find any
It's a little bit too long. Cut it. Wiggle in. And boom. And there's two more wiggles. Wiggle in. Snap. I won't cut that too long. Cut the too long line, but not. Secure Wagos. Wago this black secure. Yeah, secure. So there's no exposed lines, but let me tape it to you. This is what the legroing looks like, electrically taped. And it's
Yeah.
secure.
Now it's in. Now what we need to
are
do.
going to go there on that flip pivot so it doesn't scratch anything.
Alright.
So we're going to take off the protective plastic. This
Here, this might have brackets in here. There's some more stuff in here, Dad.
this
It
bracket.
has. Oh. There's. I don't know. See,
No instructions, just some bottom.
that's what I'm wondering.
Just
We need
the
to
bottom.
see. Before installation.
Here is here. So that bracket, this fits like this. Like that, perfectly and perfectly. Ready?
It's in, yeah.
Shimmy.
And then
Make sure each side is roughly equal. Like that. We're gonna start shimmying now. Doing it, top bracket. That level. If it's dead center.
yeah, it looks like it's in the middle. Yeah.
Is it dead center?
Yeah.
That's pretty damn close now. There's the blanket in.
All right.
Ready? There. Now it's pretty centered. Try to feed it. Let's shove it in as far as we can.
There. Now it's in. Now it's in. There we go. It's in. So
If you want it to fit, this is the best you can do.
yeah, I think this is good. Yeah.
It's like,
That looks good.
You want
That
it
looks
to fit, or you want Last, it should be able to reach, shouldn't it? The new squeezer did not provide much better connection. I'm putting this in. All right, test the water. Get a manual screwdriver first. A test of leaking. Okay, I'm going to turn this water on then. Ready? Rotating this all the way on. The water should be on now. Checking for leakage right here. So far, good news. It's all good news so far. We will declare this connection so far tight. This dishwasher now ready to be tested. Satisfaction comes from this peeling. Celebratory peeling of the handle plastic. Peel or
No, you do it. I don't
this is the most satisfying part of living right here. This peeling of the sticker. We only have 5 dishes anyway.
Oh, do we need to take all this blue stuff
Oh
off?
yeah. Enjoy this.
Alright.
This is the enjoyment moment of the stickering.
Alright. Here, get this
Well,
little
don't
tape.
rip anything. Don't enjoy it. We're just trying to get over it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Satisfaction. He does this.
Did you check the back to see about the level in the back?
So, are you ready for? And this is that. Keep it right there. That'll be our spotter.
It's alright. If it's gonna leak, it will leak.
Using that paper towel to test for leaks. Got this tray here to collect leaks. If those are good, we should be successful. Maybe we saved $250, $500 installation fees. We'll assess when it's completed running. So far, no weird sounds.